Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be reviewing this hair DGlamSquad Virgin Hair Extensions, and they sent me this beautiful unit. It's from their luxury doll collection. The length of this unit is 20 inches, and it's in body wave, and the color is in its natural state. It's a natural color. So right here, this is going to be the easiest install. Basically, I don't own a dryer yet, so I'm just going to be using my Got to Be Glued and just laying about 2 layers of the Got to Be Glued down onto my skin, underneath my closure where I want my closure wig to lay. And I just pretty much just let it air dry a little bit and get tacky. And right here I'm just pulling back the hair to make sure that all of it is out the way, so that way that glue won't get stuck, because sometimes you could be laying it and it gets stuck. So yeah, right here I'm just laying it, and in the next clip you will actually see me cutting the lace off. But I cut it in like 2 sections because I didn't want to do like a straight cut over the lace and mess it up. So yeah, so stay tuned for the rest of the video, and I hope to see you guys soon in my next video. And I hope you guys enjoy. In the next couple of clips, you're going to see me actually cut the lace, and in the next clip after that, you're going to see me actually review this unit. And I will leave all of DGlamSquad Virgin Hair Extensions, I believe, all the information in the description box below. And yes, honey, it is melted. And her name is Tanisha. Be sure to go ahead and purchase her products. She has all type of wigs and units and bundles and lashes. And it's just so bomb. This hair is beautiful, guys. It is so freaking beautiful. I have literally no complaints about this hair, and you won't either. I mean, that's how bomb it is. I've tried so many different products, and this is like by far the best unit that I have ever tried. And I'm not even capping, like, for real. So stay tuned to my next video, and I will see you guys soon. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? Happy New Year and all of the other good stuff. So let's get right into the video. So I just received a package from a company that I'm currently working with, and the company is called DGlamSquad Virgin Hair Extensions. And I really like this hair company. I reached out to them. To see if I can review their hair, and they said yes, of course. So let's get right into the video. So start off, this is a 5x5 lace closure wig. It is body wave. It is in the color, it's a natural color. It's a natural color. And the texture is body wave. So, and the inches are 20 inches. I wish I could just like stand up and just let you guys like see. Maybe I could scoot back. This is like 20 inches. Okay, so 20 inches just kind of goes like to the middle of my back a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see my hand, but yeah, this is like 20 inches. And let me tell y'all, this wig does not disappoint. Okay, now let's get into the specs. So the speculations of this wig is the fact that this wig does have a free part. You can do a middle part, you can do a side part, you can do a deep side part, which is what I love. You can do Hollywood waves, and then you can just like part your hair. Oh my God, do you guys see all this parting? The parting goes to where my middle finger is right here. And you can see my wig cap right there. It's like my wig cap and everything. So this is how far it goes. This is a 5x5 closure. You can part it any way you want. I could do the flip over method with this wig, which is what I really like. I love, my favorite texture is body wave. Exclusively, I love body wave hair because I feel like you can do so much more with body wave. You can straighten it, you can curl it, you can put flexi rods in it. You can pretty much, it's very versatile to me. So the closure wig is not a problem. The pros of this wig is the fact that it's 20 inches, and I love 20 inches or more. It is very soft texture. There are absolutely no snags to this wig, like at all. It's 100% virgin hair. It has no snags or nothing. The nape area is very well constructed. The inside of this wig, it has 2 combs on the side. It has 1 comb in the back, an elastic band, plus, which is a major plus, the adjustable straps. Like, this wig is so well constructed that you can get away with this. You can get away with putting this wig on, and that's it. Like, you don't even have to use any glue to like glue this down. It's lifting right now. That's because I had it on for so long, but I used the got to be glued, the actual got to be glued, and then I just went ahead and put my scarf on and everything because I don't own a dryer yet. So, and I let it get tacky, and after I let it get tacky enough, I went ahead after that, let my scarf do the talking, leave my scarf on for like 10 minutes. And after I left it on for 10 minutes, took it off, and then went ahead and used my setting powder and just went ahead and just, I mean, can you guys, like, do you see this? Like, can you say melted? Like, this is like freaking melted. My first impressions of this unit was, I was very shocked. This unit actually over exceeded my expectations because I'm so used to, you know, stupid stuff being sent to me. But I mean, the owner of the company was really sweet. Her name is Tanisha. I will put her information down in the description box below if you guys can follow her. This is DGlamSquad Virgin Hair Extensions. They are super, super sweet, super dope. Follow them on Instagram as well. I'll leave all the information in the description box for you guys to actually, and the link to where you can actually purchase this unit. I'm not sure how much it is, but she does have bundles. She does have closures, and she's very affordable. So with that being said, I absolutely love this wig. I have no issues with this wig. There are no cons to this wig at all. It's very soft. It's very versatile. That's the thing that I like about this wig. It is extremely versatile. I can wear my hair with the part. I can wear my hair without a part, like with the part if you want to, or you can just flip your hair over and just do this. I mean, girl, this wig is just so freaking bomb. like, I mean, can you see this? Like, the slayage. Like, I mean, you can really get away with just a wash and go with this unit. You could just spray this unit with some water and scrunch it up in some like nice little curls and still get that body wave effect and still go out the door. Like, that's how freaking bomb this wig is. So I hope you guys enjoyed my quick review of this wig. I just got this wig. I love it so much. And I will leave all the information for DGlamSquad Virgin Hair Company, Virgin Hair Extensions. I'm sorry. I love this wig so much. It's not even funny. DGlamSquad Virgin Hair Extensions. I will leave their information down in the description box below. For the 3rd time I said that, but I just wanted you guys to know that I really love this wig and let you guys know that you can purchase this wig. This wig is very versatile. Like I said, you could do a middle part, a side part, a left part, and you will absolutely love it. If you a body wave girl like me, you can just throw this sucker on and get away with it. You don't need to throw on a hat or nothing like that. You can add baby hairs if you like. I choose not to because the wig is so well constructed that you can actually pull out your own baby hairs. So I choose not to pull out my own baby hairs simply because of the fact that I can get away with this wig and be gone, like out the door. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and make sure that you follow me on Instagram at Pretty Yella TV, and make sure that you hit the subscribe button, and make sure that you turn on your post notifications so you can be notified when I upload a new video, probably every week. I'm not sure, but yeah. So subscribe, like, comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.